Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So on today's video on Schengen series, I'll be looking at Luxembourg short stay visa. So I'll be leaving the description, the video link, the link to this video to the descriptions. Okay, so yeah, check that out. Luxembourg entry visa for third-party nationals. Okay, please, I need to say that all of these Schengen visas are strictly by appointment, so it's always good to book appointment before you come for the visa applications. They said nationals from certain non-EU countries who wish to visit, transit through or work in Luxembourg must, before their departure, have a valid travel document with a visa issued by a consular authority from one of the countries in the Schengen area. So yeah, look at the Schengen areas, guys. Okay, so the nationality of non-EU national determines whether or not they are obliged to have a visa. Different types of visa exist depending on the duration of the nature of the visa visit. Okay, so please take note. Let's look at who is consigned. You can schedule for short stay or transit through the Schengen area of continued or uninterrupted period of 90 days, which includes tourist or family visit, business trip, participating in conferences, participating in board directors, providing services within the same business group, a long-term stay. Okay, so just so you know, prerequisites: you just need to have a valid passport which is valid for at least another 3 months after the expiration date of the visa you applied for. Cost, let's see the amount. So it depends on the type of visa. For airport transit visa, you need 90 euros. For short stay, you need 90 euros too. For long stay, you need 50 euros for all applicant categories. Okay, so you just come here and read the good stuff. No visa fee will be charged for children under 6 years. Okay, so if you want to apply for short stay, you come and read all these things. Visa application should in principle be lodged at least 15 calendar days before the intended visit and cannot be lodged earlier than 6 months before the start of the intended visit. Okay, you can come here and read all of that. Online services and forms. So for us to be able to fill out the online application that we'll be using to book appointments, we have to come here and download the online form. Okay, so they said application for Schengen visa. You put your photo here, photograph, like your passport photograph. Provide the name, first name. So all you need to do here is to download. When you download this, you'll be able to fill it out. Okay, so once you are done, you make sure that you put your name, you put place and date, and then make sure to sign. Okay, all these things are information that is required of you. Okay, you can pause and read. You can pause and read. I don't want this video to be long, so let's move forward to how we can see where you can download. Anyway, let's move forward to where you can book an appointment. So for you to be able to book appointments, you type VFS Global for Luxembourg in Nigeria. If you are in any other country, you put your country. So step-by-step guide. Apply for visa. Here you select visa types. Okay, here you select download the visa form, which we've already done, and all of that. So let's move forward to booking an appointment. So book appointment. So for you to be able to book appointments, once you click on this link that I just clicked now, it's going to take you to the page that you'll be able to book appointments. Now in this appointment, you have to select which of the places that you would want to go for your appointment, either Lagos Consulate or Abuja Embassy, Abuja Consulate. Okay, so we know the work of VFS now. So that's where you also submit the application form that you've already submitted, and also there will also be that's where you also be making the payment for the visa fee. Okay, so if you find this video really helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I guess network has been really down because it's a rainy day, like it has been raining. So just follow this step by step that I've just shown you. You are going to get to the best landing to be able to book appointment. Okay, it's able to open. Okay, so once it opens like this, you see book appointment. Partnering with governments across the world, we support visa applicants through the entire application process. So book appointment. I hope network allows me. Okay, so this is just the procedure for you to be able to achieve that. Once it's open, you select date, book preferred date, time, and input your email address. If you already have an account, you just activate. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is to create new account for this particular visa applications. Okay, so that's all. I wish you all good luck, and if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next video, and please do not make this your last. Todos.